Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan Now here, and welcome to my little man cave. This is a 360-degree virtual reality video, so feel free to look around because this is an immersive video. To have the best view or best seat in the house, it is highly recommended that you use virtual reality goggles while watching this video because then you can just move around and freely look around in this little man cave. If you don't have virtual reality goggles and you're watching it on your smart devices, feel free to move the view and look around. If you're watching it on your computers, use the mouse and click and hold the view to move the view around and look around in this man cave. Having said that, now you understand that this is a 360-degree virtual reality video. Can you find Arish? Tell me where he's sitting. Yes, feel free to move the view and look around because he's waving at you. He's smiling. See, he's right there, right there. He's wearing the pouch for the camera. So now you know how to move around your view or look around in this room. So once again, welcome to this little man cave. And this is a 360-degree virtual reality update to Alishan Now channel and upcoming videos that you're going to watch on my channel. First off, the wall on top, you can move the view around. Now you know how to move around. So this is my wall of fame, not shame, wall of fame, and you can find a big, what is that? Face hugger. Now you can speak, don't worry. And that is a small face hugger. And then I have my FPV racing quads and FPV boobs. My Finwing Traveler is hanging on there. My Seer is hanging there as well. And check it out. Look down here what's sitting near my foot. This is the Finwing Saber. A big FPV aircraft. You can see this is just half the fuselage. I can tell you. This is just half the fuselage. Check this out. This is going to be amazing FPV aircraft. So time-lapse build of this big baby are coming very soon on my channel, and of course after that we will do the FPV flights with it. We will do Ari and Ali RC Adventures FPV chasing each other, and this time I'll put this very camera on board. Just keep following me on board this FPV aircraft so that you can actually enjoy an immersive virtual reality view from the air, and you will love that video, I'm sure about that. Alright, so this was one, and after that, of course, this is the table where most of my life I spent working and bringing you all those videos. This is my table here, and yes, I'm working on this little stick and fly FPV pod product that's coming your way very, very soon on onlyflymachines.com. Coming down here, you can see two of my little helicopters. I mean, ALVRC helicopters hanging there. And I have my video goggles here. And these are the wings of that big bird sitting there. Will you hold this, please? And don't hit anything.
Oh, yes.
I mean, check this out. These are the wings for this aircraft. Oh man, look at that. I mean, I'm gonna come here so I don't come into the stitch. And if the fuselage is in the middle, holy moly, man, this is a big plane. I feel short. This is tall. I mean, even Arish can have these two wings attached to him and jump to fly, maybe.
Papa, it is even taller than you.
Yes, it is very tall. I mean, I can attach these wings to Arish and he can just flap, 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 flap and start taking off.
But you need to make it a little big so my hand can fit in it.
Yeah, we can do it. We can 3D print those things with this 3D printer. This Creality CR10 3D printer sits here. At the moment, it's taking rest, but it was 3D printing since morning. And guess what? It printed. No, one moment, it's gonna start. I have to cut something down here. The support. Come on. Oh man, this is stuck really badly. Oh, I didn't print the support for it. Okay, one moment. I can do it.
Need that scrapper?
No, I didn't do it without the check this out. What did I print? This is the AAA battery holder, which will hold AAA batteries, not AA batteries. And it is also a dispenser, so you can put the batteries out and pick the batteries from here, and the batteries will keep coming out. You want to see an example? Arish, go to that drawer.
Which drawer?
The second one.
Okay.
And there is this battery holder. Pick it out.
Okay.
Right, please. Thank you very much. You are a good assistant. Very good boy. Now check it out. This is a AA battery dispenser. AA battery dispenser. So you can take one battery out and just shake it a bit, because these batteries are a little big, and the other battery will simply come out itself. So you can hold. So you can hold multiple batteries in it, and of course keep taking them out, and batteries will keep falling from top and coming down. Thank you very much. Put it back. So this is the battery holder for AA batteries, and this is for AAA batteries. Okay,
It
put it
looks
back.
like a dustbin.
It's not the battery does it. But anyway, that's my beautiful design. Anyway, all right. So now, if you're coming this side, this is my soldering station where I do most of the soldering. And move back, please. This is my another work table. You can sit down there. This is my another work table where I do a little bit of working, and you can see some sweet things in here, like this speedrunner from JDR. It's super amazing,
I'm
good
going to
looker.
learn.
And Arish is going to learn FPV on it. This is amazing, good looker, and it does perform very well. So Arish is going to have this one. I'm going to set an FPV system on it and teach him how to not fly, how to drive with FPV goggles on.
And you will drive the 6-wheel drive.
Oh yes, I will drive the 6-wheel drive with FPV system on board, and we'll go chatting from each other, right?
Yeah, you
Is that a fart? Holy, that is a long fart. No, it's just somebody's. Oh, there you go. This is somebody using a drill.
You see, you will modify lights on it.
Yes, I'll put lights on it. I'll put a sound system on it, which I will take out from that little crawler and put the sound system in that 6-wheel drive. And then I and Arish, we will go driving, chasing each other, and trailing around, off-roading around. That'll be really, really fun.
If we're in the day we have these, it will be more fun.
Well, it's more fun here because here we have more trailing options. So which goggles will you use? White one or black one? White one, because those are they are HD goggles. All right. Anyway, so that's gonna be fun. Those videos are coming very, very soon, and of course you're gonna watch the video. I mean the review, actual review video of this truck and 6-wheel drive. 6-wheel drive is amazing. I'm simply loving it. And after that, we have the submarine, we have the little boat, we have the Sky Hunter, which flies really, really well, and my old crawlers and drift car and E-Sky 150, you know, this one. The Airwolf helicopter and the little motorbike. I need to get that motorbike set and drive it. It's sitting here for a very long time. And we have this little X drone. Yeah. I mean, anyways, Koi, I'm going to post a review of this very, very soon. Arish can even fly it. It's very easy to fly, right?
Yeah, this drone only flies hover, but not turns to
Yeah. Bummer. What a disappointment, right?
summer. I think they cheated.
Yeah, they're just cheating on the pictures. Then we have E-Sky 150 V2 videos coming, and no, I'm not going to review it. This is speed gun to see how fast our RC cars go. We have a little truck. This truck videos are already uploaded, and you will watch them very, very soon. And my Futaba 4 PLS system is out, which I'm going to use on the, the RC cars. Check it out, my FPV. It's not a graveyard. It's my FPV gear treasure. Lots of FPV stuff inside.
Oh man, we have many antennas.
Many antennas, many cameras, many everything. So, thank you very much for watching this 360-degree immersive virtual reality video of our little man cave. And we will bring you more exciting uploads, including the AARC adventures. Yesterday we had beautiful chases. Very, very cool. That was beautiful, right? That was amazing FPV chases.
Did you record under there?
Under there are my batteries. Yeah, just move the view around and come down here. Come on, forward.
Down here.
All my battery charging station and all batteries are here.
Ball,
And some radios and stuff there. All right, move your view around and back to us. Come here.
uh,
All right, thank thank you very much for watching this video, and we'll be bringing you more 360-degree virtual reality videos from inside this house and outside this house. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Which button? Oh, I have to push this button first.